Hello everyone, Reece here from Smith's Estate Agents. Today I'm in Teacork in a fantastic family area. I've got this gorgeous home just behind me, which is a 2-bedroom property in a terrace format. It is in fantastic school catchment zones and it's got a great family community. But what we're going to do, we're going to take a little tour around, so follow me inside. That's my property for you today in Teacork. If you've seen anything in the video that you like, call me on the number below and I'd love to have a chat with you. See you soon guys, bye bye.